Hi everyone, Dale Pinkert here. Tomorrow's Contributions Friday. Thought I'd take a look at the market through my telescope. Every once in a while you have to break it out, see the forest from the trees. And here's the weekly so far in Euro USD. After last week, I was looking for some continuation to the upside. That's looking very doubtful to me now. I've been patient with it unless there's a big turn tomorrow. To me, it looks like there's destiny towards 110. There will be some divergences that will set up there at 110. That could take the dollar to new highs 98.80, 99.20, and potential reversals happening in June. So we're ending the month of May. A lot of cross currents I talked about. You have end of month, you have end of quarter, and the dollar's had a good quarter, so normally you're going to get some follow through into that, and people may not want to hold euros. Cable's still even looking weaker because euro pound still doesn't look like it's done to the upside to me. So looking for euro to take out last week's lows and possibly accelerate towards 110 into early next week. After this, I want to take a weekly view of the S&Ps, and you're going to see Wile E. Coyote standing right there on the cliff as we look at the moving average, which is the 50-week moving average, which has contained this decline from the highs so far. Could we get a bounce? Sure, that could happen. New highs look doubtful to me. I think that this market again today had a hard time getting back over the 2800 level, maybe 2840, 2850. But I can say this, that taking out the moving average that we held actually poked through it a little bit. This week comes in at 2776. It's still a negative week. You can see it's a red candle. So the best you could say about the market is so far it's held. I don't think it will. If you look down towards the bottom of the chart, I believe over the next several months, possibly we're looking at the high of the year, and we could move all the way down towards that 2200 level. Looks to me like that line could be a magnet for the S&Ps going forward. That's when I believe there's potential for the Fed to change directions from being on hold to flipping back to easing and trying some form of QE to support the markets. I believe they're more S&P dependent than data dependent. So that's when they may need their ammo. And wanted to wrap it up with a falling wedge I've been talking about in silver on the weekly. You could tell a really classic formation that's really trying to hold. You look at the fact that even though the dollar's strong, it recently held the lows around 425, back over 1470-ish. Is going to take it out of this formation. Then you have resistance up around the $15 level, but there could be a move to actually challenge or maybe even take out this level. I'm going to be keying off of gold. So gold, I'm looking for a rally back over 1300 and most likely booking silver at that point to see if I'm right about this rally in gold just being a bear market rally back to 1300 plus. So that's a wrap up. If you're interested in working with me, you can find me on Twitter at Forex Stop Hunter. Have a great weekend, good hunting, and remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. And I know where your stops are. Adios.